Hello viewers, thanks for checking out the channel. Now today we will be making some saltfish fritters. Now these fritters are super delicious and they are quick and easy to prepare. You can also make this recipe healthier with just a few tweaks. So today I will be switching out some of the ingredients to make it healthier. In this recipe I am adding a variety of vegetables to the dish. So you may ask, why should I consider trying saltfish fritters? Well, there are many reasons that I will share. The first reason is that saltfish fritters is a flavor explosion with every bite. It has a good balance between the saltfish, the spices, and the vegetables that I add to the dish. The second reason is that they are quick and easy to make, so they are perfect for busy weekdays or even a last minute gathering. Another reason is that they're versatile. You can enjoy them as a snack, an appetizer, or even a light meal. Make sure you cut your veggies at the same size so they can cook evenly. By adding the scallion, the tomato, onion, and bell peppers to the dish, we not only add flavor and texture but we boost the nutritional value as well. Now, as a healthcare professional, I like to look at the health value of food. Now let's talk about some of the health benefits of this dish. Now saltfish is a good source of protein once the salt is removed. And the vegetables in the dish are loaded with vitamins, including vitamin C, which is great for your immune health. The veggies also provide fiber, which is good for healthy digestion. Now to add a little kick to the dish, I'll be sauteing the veggies in some coconut oil, which not only enhance the flavor but provide beneficial fats that support brain health. Another ingredient that I will be tweaking is the flour. I will be using whole wheat flour today instead of the traditional white flour that is normally used in the dish. Now let's talk about the economical benefit of eating saltfish fritters. Saltfish is an affordable source of high quality protein, so this makes the dish very budget friendly. These fritters are also perfect for batch cooking, as you can make them in large quantities and store them for a quick homemade snack at a later time. Now, as I mentioned earlier, I am using whole wheat flour instead of white flour. A key difference between both flour is the fiber content. Now, the whole wheat flour contains the fiber that is found in wheat, while white flour has been stripped of the fiber, so it doesn't have as much fiber as the wheat flour. Using quality oils can also make a difference in the health value of the dish. Coconut oil is a great option for this dish. It's not only flavorful and delicious, but it's very healthy. You can also use olive oil or any other oils that is low in saturated fat. Now it's best to fry these fritters on medium heat, because frying them on higher heat can cause them to burn on the outside and not cook on the inside. You may need to flip them several times so that they can fry evenly. Now if you're enjoying this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel, where I will share more tips on how to make traditional dishes healthier. Also, let me know in the comment how you like to make your saltfish fritters and if this is a recipe that you would like to try. I like to drain the excess oil from the fritters by putting them on paper towel. These saltfish fritters are not your ordinary fritters. We've added a twist to make them more nutritious and delicious by adding the vegetables and spices. These saltfish fritters are definitely a taste of Jamaica. They are quick and easy to prepare, plus they are wallet friendly. Now let me ask this, how do you like to serve your saltfish fritters? Personally, I like to have them as a snack. So the next time you're craving a snack that is quick, easy, and delicious, give this recipe a try. And as always, here is a bonus clip of my road trip in Jamaica. If you enjoyed today's video and are excited to try out these flavorful saltfish fritters, Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more delicious recipes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.